If you're looking for a hairbrush that does more than just detangle, the Electric Spray Air Cushion Massage Comb might have caught your attention. After checking out its features, here's my quick take. This comb combines 3 functions in one device: hair detangling, scalp massage, and a fine mist spray system. The spray feature helps add moisture while brushing, which can reduce static and make hair easier to manage. I also like the air cushion design, which feels gentler on the scalp compared to regular brushes. The massage function is a nice bonus, especially if you enjoy a relaxing scalp massage after a long day. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to use on different hair types. That said, don't expect miracle hair growth results. The massage and mist features can improve comfort and hair care, but they're not a replacement for proper hair treatments. Overall, if you want a more comfortable and feature-packed brushing experience, the Electric Spray Air Cushion Massage Comb is worth considering.